How to write a project summary, 4 easy steps. The project summary is a concise.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
An important document that includes an overview, intellectual merits, and broader impact sections. These are crucial portions that require specific definitions. An expertly written outline of the project is a potent tool for project management, streamlining procedures, and bringing all team members and stakeholders together. It provides a brief synopsis of the progress, major accomplishments, and schedule updates. On the inside, it facilitates efficient collaboration between staff members, project managers, contractors, and service providers by allowing them to track progress. Successful project management requires effective communication. Objectives, scope, and outcomes must all be clearly expressed in a project synopsis. This article explains its importance and provides detailed instructions. A project summary is a brief summary of a project that offers essential information in an organized manner. With the help of this quick-look project snapshot, stakeholders can quickly comprehend the project's objective, scope, and deliverables. The project summary should contain useful information and be interesting to read. It serves as a communication tool, informing all parties as the project progresses. 4 steps to write a project summary. Writing a project summary requires careful consideration of the project's key elements. Follow these steps to create a compelling and effective project summary. Step 1. Know your audience. Before diving into the step-by-step project summary, it is critical to understand your target audience. Think about the reader of the summary and the details they require. Tailor your language and level of detail accordingly. For instance, if your audience consists of high-level executives, focus on strategic goals and outcomes. If writing is not your strong suit, consider drawing inspiration from professionals who write papers for money. These services can provide valuable examples of how to craft concise, impactful summaries tailored to specific audiences, which can help you refine your approach. Step 2. Identify the essential elements. To write a comprehensive project summary, include the following essential elements. Project title. Start with a clear and informative title that conveys the essence of your project. Objectives. Outline the precise aims and targets of the project. Scope. Specify the project's parameters, including its deliverables and significant milestones. Methodology. Briefly explain the approach or methodology you will use to achieve the project objectives. Timeline. Provide a timeline or schedule overview to give readers a sense of the project's duration. Resources. Give the vital resources required for the project, including personnel, equipment, or a budget. Stakeholders. Identify the project's main stakeholders and their roles. Expected outcomes. Clearly articulate the anticipated results, benefits, or impact of the project. Step 3. Keep it concise. Remember, a project summary should be brief and to the point. Avoid excessive jargon or technical details that may confuse or overwhelm readers. Aim for clarity and simplicity. Use bullet points or subheadings to organize information and improve readability. Step 4. Edit and review. The project summary should be reviewed and edited after you've finished writing it. Verify the text for any grammatical mistakes, unclear language, or errors. Ensure that the summary accurately represents the project's objectives and key aspects. What to include in a project summary? The exact project summary guide content will depend on the project and its surroundings, but the following are some standard things to have in a project summary. Project description. Give a succinct rundown of the project's objectives and the issue it seeks to resolve. Key deliverables enumerate the tangible outputs or outcomes that the project will produce. Target audience specify the intended beneficiaries or users of the project's results.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.